up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a 1985 Chevy Corvette C4 up for sale today. This one's a little special. It's a Greenwood edition, which we'll get into shortly. If you like classic cars, please hit the like button and subscribe. We get new inventory in daily. Hit the notification button if you want to get notified on all our new cars. We're going to do a full, complete walkthrough of this vehicle, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. So when it shows up at your doorstep, it's exactly as you thought. We ship all over the world and the US if you want to get it shipped. If you want to come in person, we are near Philadelphia and Trenton, New Jersey. We're in between. You can fly in and we'll pick you up. Let's go ahead and get started. 1985 Corvette. This was my client's car. Unfortunately, he passed away and the family sold it to us. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a Greenwood edition, which is made by John Greenwood. He's a builder of these C3s and C4s. There's a lot of performance done to it. A bunch of different parts on it. It's got the body kit on it. Gives it a nice look. Upgraded suspension. If you go on his website, you can see the full list of exactly what they do to these cars. We'll start with the front of it. Bumper's got a little clear coat starting to peel right there. The rest of the bumper is good. You got a little scuff here and a little scratch there. Take a look at the hood. The only thing I see on the hood, it does have some swirl marks you can see in the sunlight. A little scratch right there. A nice buff would definitely take care of that. On this side, you got a nice little scratch there. The wheels are in good condition. They're almost brand new tires. The tires. The wheels themselves got a little faults on them. I was thinking about replacing the wheels with the ZR1 wheels. Find a nice set of black wheels on it. I think it would definitely change the look of the vehicle. If I was to keep it, that's exactly what I would do, because that's just screaming 80s. I would definitely give it the upgraded wheels to make it look nice. Above this fender, you got some scuffing here. Now that's not in the paint. That should come out with a nice buff. This one is in the paint there. You got the plastic trim kind of coming up here. Same thing with this. This would need to be painted or replaced. Got a scuff here. The rest of the door is good. You got a few imperfections here. But yeah, the rest of the door is good. Same thing with this wheel. Wheel showing some wear on it. The back tire is not as good as the front. I would say it's about 50%. Got a couple little scratches here. The paint is not so vibrant right here, as you can see. It's not bad, but again, I would probably want to buff that, bring that back to life. It's got the target top on it. There's no cracks on it. That's in good shape. Go up to the back here. Back bumper's in good shape. I don't see any cracks or anything. A little scratch right there. The wing, same thing, good shape. Little nick right there. It's got a good stance, guys. It does look good. It looks like a ZR1. It looks like a high performance C4, which that's what it is. These are made to put on the track and drive them and enjoy them and go fast with them. A little bit of scratching there. Same thing on this side. This side's not as bad as that other side, but again, a nice buff would bring that back to life. A couple of scratches there, little imperfections here and here. This appears to be original paint. Back tire, that one's about 40%. If I was going to make this a nice driver, I would replace the two back tires. Probably do all four, that's why I'm doing it. But the back two definitely need to be replaced. Got a little bit of touch in right here. Looks like the paint was peeled there and they touched it in. The rest of the door looks in good shape. Bottom trim's got a couple scratches. And that brings us back to this front of the car. Same thing with this. The front tire is practically new. And the wheels are horrendous in my opinion. But you might like it. That's overall the outside. I would say it's a definitely, it's better than just a solid driver. I mean, it's a good looking car. Headed on the inside. Inside's in really good condition. Door panel's in good shape. A little bit of peeling here where the speaker is. The seat is in beautiful shape except for one little tear here. It was garage kept. Still got the plastic protection on the bottom. That seat's in good shape. Again, no cracks or anything. Got a little sun damage there. It's showing 69,495 miles. That is true mileage. It's a 6-digit odometer. Starts right up. Full range. It shows oil pressure upgraded. It shows RPM. I don't know if the original C4s had all this. To me this looks like it's been upgraded. Let me know. I don't do a lot of C4s, I do a lot of C3s, but the mid 80s and early 90s Vettes I don't do a ton of. See if the AC fires up. And the AC does fire up good. See if it gets real cold. It's getting cool. And it's getting cold. So the AC does work. Pop the hood. This hood is very heavy. Go around. Nice cold AC, everything works the way it should. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com. It's awesome that the air works. It's not smoking or anything. This thing just needs to be driven. It's been sitting in the garage for a while. I know he did not drive it much at all. You need to get in it and go. Up for sale now. Give us a call today. And God bless the USA. If you want to reach me, 215-801-9493. That reaches me directly. You don't deal with any salesperson, you deal with me. Looking forward to doing a deal with you guys. Talk to you guys later. God bless.